In examining the non-oil economy, Aubrey Norton, the presidential candidate for the Partnership for National Unity, said that the current regime has diminished the role of private sector as the engine of growth. According to Mr. Norton, the spending by the government rose from 39% in 2021 to 83% of non-oil GDP in 2024.
This high ratio of government spending to non-oil GDP raises questions about the independence and resilience of the private sector to meet the challenges of a non-oil economy.
The seasoned politician pointed out that with the foreign exchange crisis currently plaguing the private sector, businesses have been faced with a classic illustration of the state's lack of interest.
The supply of foreign currency from non-oil export has grown by only 25% from 2020 to 2024.
According to Mr. Norton, the oil economy is the source of foreign exchange needed to balance supply and demand. He pointed out that there will be a great balance between public and private sector standards under an APNU coalition.
Given our desire to diversify the production structure, the export market is vital. Consequently, a major focus must be the opening of foreign markets for our non-oil exports.
Norton also emphasized that effective governance depends on a strong professional and motivated public service. In assessment of the oil economy, the party's presidential candidate stated that it promised incentives to retain experienced employees, special long-term financing for homes and cars, and a 35% salary increase across the public sector.
We want the public service to function like a well-oiled machine for those who depend on its services. Towards this end, we will ensure that public servants are properly incentivized.
Antonio Day reporting for the HGP Nightly News.